Alright, here we are with another video on the um, uh, hand guards, or knuckle guards installed on my 390 Adventure. Uh, these are basically non-branded, but a decent hand guard, for the price. It costed around, I would say, 1,500 or 600 a pair. I'm not sure. So they have this integrated lights. You can use it as blinkers, or you can also get this connected to your blinkers. I'll show you how it works in a while. So while choosing handguards, the company handguards, they are just plastic, and they don't actually guard your knuckles. So on an impact, so your knuckle needs to be guarded. So that's why you have this on the adventure bikes, because usually the adventure bikes are taller, so your hand position is placed taller and wider. The handlebars are wider. So basically the knuckle guards are installed on these bikes to protect your knuckle on any impact. Like if you're doing a trail or something, the tree branches which run on the side shouldn't hit your knuckle. So for that, what is the most important thing? The most important thing to choose a knuckle guard is, so if you could see this bar which goes right. This is the most important thing on a knuckle guard. So whenever there is an impact, right, so this bar should be able to protect you. So if it is a plastic, it's going to break right in and crush your knuckles. So that's why you have this knuckle guard. So this should be made of a strong aluminium bar which should resist the impact. So while you're choosing a knuckle guard, when you're choosing a knuckle guard, choose one with the aluminium bar, so that when there is an impact, your knuckle is saved from the impact. So this is very important. This shouldn't be of plastic. So ensure it is an aluminium, lightweight, strong bar which you have. So that's an important thing which you need to consider while choosing your knuckle guard. So then you can, the first thing is about the safety, and then you can think about the looks. So this looks pretty decent and reasonably safer and reasonably priced from all those branded knuckle guards which cost a bomb. I guess Bathbusters and all those should cost you upwards of 20k. So also, so this I got it from the Motorworld store in JC Road. I will leave the link in the description. So could see how the lights come. Okay, so you could see how they work. See also this indicator also works along with it. So you could see the pattern here on both the knuckle guards. They also work on the hazard light part, which is pretty decent. So that's about my knuckle guard on the bike. Alright, so see you in another video.